Everyone's been saying this is going to be Apple's next product release. So the rumor is that Apple is going really hard in smart homes, so they're making their own sunrise alarm. Makes sense they'd want to get into this since this is only natural alarm clock. It just gradually increases the brightness so you gradually wake up. Like any alarm clock, you can set whatever time you want to wake up, and you can put sounds in there just in case the light isn't enough. Also has a radio you can use to wake you up, and like you saw earlier, it's basically a lamp as well. It's also got a charger in the back so it charges your phone. On top of using the app, you can use the buttons to control. If you're interested, they're 50% off right now. I don't know when the deal is going to end, and they sold out last month. This might be their last batch. I'm not sure. Check the shop link below if you're interested, and hit the follow button for more cool gadgets.